Mmm. Are those yummy? They're not. Is your name Kendrick? Are you Kendrick? Ooh. Look at his feet. Let mommy see your feet. Can I see your feet? Oh, that's nice. Those are nice feet. Can you tell me where your nose is? Oh, that's a nice nose. Where's your eyes? Where's your eyes? Are you too preoccupied on SpongeBob? There's your eyes. SpongeBob.